Yes, fantastic. So now let us proceed. Just a minute. All right, now it is clear. So now we proceed with practice set number 3.1. Question number 4. Write the degree of the given polynomials. Now, in the given particular polynomial xyz plus xy minus z, in this you can see multiple variables, right? So when you have more than one variable, how to find the degree of the polynomial? First of all, the degree of the polynomial means what? The highest sum of the power of variables. अगर आपके पास एक से ज़्यादा वेरिएबल है तो आपको उन वेरिएबल्स के पावर को ऐड कर लेना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से x into y into z, each one of them has power 1, right? Correct. Add it. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. In the next term, if you observe x and y, you have power 1 and 1 again. That is 2. Here you have power 1 only. So what was the highest sum of the powers? It was 3. So that will become the degree of the polynomial. Am I clear? Great. Second part. Again you have more than one variable, m and n. पहला term check करो चलो. M cube and n raised to 7. So just add the powers. What is 3 plus 7? 10. 5 plus 1, 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Which sum was the highest? 10. So that will become the power of the variable. Now in the third question, look at it very carefully. What is written in the bracket? Ax raised to 7 plus bx raised to 9, and in the bracket it is written that a and b are constants. What do we mean by the word constant? Constant means a number. तो a और b के प्लेस पे कोई तो नंबर है. So who are the variable in that case? x, right? और पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर में हमारा ध्यान किस पे जाना चाहिए? वेरिएबल पे. So in the first part, the power of x is 7 and here the power of x is 9. Which is the highest? 9. So yes, the degree will become 9 because a and b are constants. So who are the variable apart from a and b? It is only x. Okay. So start writing with this particular part. Now we go with the types of polynomials based on number of terms. So there are three basic types. The first type we will understand with the help of example of 2x. Second type we will have the example of x raised to 4 plus x. And the third example with the polynomial x cube minus root 3x square plus 5x raised to 1. Now as I have discussed with you in the first part, what do you mean by term? A part of the variable separated by plus or a minus sign. Okay. A part of the polynomial separated by a plus or a minus sign. Look at the first part. 2x. 2x is taken as one single term. Yes. So when you have only one term with you, then that polynomial will be called as monomial. I'll repeat. Whenever you have one single term, then that polynomial is called as monomial. Now look at the second example, x raised to 4 plus x. Here you have two different terms, x raised to 4 and x. So there are basically how many terms? Two terms. So that is called as binomial. B-I-N-O-M-I-A-L. Binomial means two, mial means terms, polynomial. And in the third part, you have three terms. So student, one term monomial, two term binomial, तो three terms क्या होंगे? Fantastic. It will be a trinomial. I simply appreciate the way you all are answering. So polynomials can be divided into three parts: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Am I clear? Great. And the same polynomials can be based on the degree also, like 7y, 2y square plus y plus 1, and x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 3. In 7y, what is the degree of the polynomial? You all tell me. For 7y, what is the degree of the polynomial? 1. Fantastic. And when the degree is 1, such polynomials are called as linear polynomial. I'll repeat. When the degree is 1, such polynomials are called as linear polynomials. For the second example, the degree is 2, so such polynomials will be called as quadratic polynomial. Such polynomials will be called as quadratic polynomial. In the third example, the degree is 3, so it will be called as cubic polynomial. So polynomials can be divided based on degree and based on term. On basis of term, you have monomial, binomial, trinomial. On basis of degree, you have linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. Are these two clear to all of you? Please confirm. Okay, we'll repeat once again. अगर नंबर ऑफ टर्म के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो पॉलिनोमियल 3 टाइप के होते हैं. मोनोमियल जिसमें एक टर्म हो, बाइनोमियल जिसमें 2 टर्म हो, ट्राइनोमियल जिसमें 3 टर्म हो. डिग्री के बेसिस पे देखूं तो पॉलिनोमियल 3 टाइप के हो गए. अगर डिग्री 1 है, सिर्फ पूरे वेरिएबल का पावर 1 ही है, तो लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल कहलाएगा. डिग्री 2 है तो इट विल बी क्वाड्रेटिक, एंड इफ डिग्री 3 then it is cubic. Is that clear now? Fine. Great. Now, let us go with question number 5, practice at 3.1. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic, and cubic. As we all know, linear मतलब degree 1, quadratic मतलब degree 2, cubic मतलब degree 3. आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे सारे आंसर्स रखे हुए हैं. लीनियर, ओ डिग्री 2, क्वाड्रेटिक, ओ डिग्री 3, क्यूबिक, इस तरह से. So now decide. In the first example, what is the degree 2? तो डिग्री 2 मतलब क्वाड्रेटिक. 5p raised to 1. What is the degree? 1. So 1 means linear polynomial. Correct. Oh, third example. What is the degree of the variable and the polynomial as well? 1. So it is a linear polynomial. So I guess you all have understood this part. Start writing. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. Then we will continue. If any queries, please let me know in the chat box. Great. So now we proceed to the next part. This we all will discuss with each other. In the fourth polynomial, students, what is the degree of the polynomial? Very good. It is 3. So that will be called as cubic polynomial. In the fifth example, a raised to 2. So 2 means quadratic. In the sixth example, r raised to 3 means a cubic polynomial, right? So we have just discussed this particular question. Let us move ahead with the next example. On practice set number 3.2, we are on question number, 3.1. We are on question number 3. Write the polynomial in X using the given information. So now the question is saying you have to write a monomial with degree 7. First of all, what is monomial? One term is monomial. तो हमें एक ही टर्म लिखना है जिसमें डिग्री क्या होना चाहिए 7. Degree means highest power of the variable. So we will write one single term but with the power 7. So you can write x raised to 7. You can even write 9x raised to 7. You can even write minus 5x raised to 7 and so on. As per your wish, but the variable should be x as per the question. Second part, binomial with degree 35. Binomial means there should be two terms. So when you have two terms, they can be separated by a plus or a minus sign in between. And the question is, the degree should be 35. Degree means highest power of the variable should be 35. So one term we will write is as x raised to 35 and the other term we will write it as only x. And third one, a trinomial with degree 8. Trinomial means तीन term with the highest power of 8. So 2x raised to 8 plus 5x plus 10, that was also done. Okay. Remember, when you have degree 35, degree 8, the highest power of the variable should be according to the question, that is 35 or 8 as per the question. Okay. So this is we have discussed. Let us proceed with the next part. Write the appropriate polynomials in the boxes. Now, in the center, you have total 6 polynomials. ये 6 पॉलिनोमियल्स को मुझे सेग्रीगेट करना है क्वाड्रेटिक, क्यूबिक, लीनियर, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल एंड मोनोमियल में. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल look at the concept. The left side polynomials are based on degree and the right side polynomials are based on the number of terms. So let us check for quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means what? Degree of the polynomial should be 2. That is, highest power of the variable should be 2. So 6 पॉलिनोमियल में हम वो पॉलिनोमियल्स निकालेंगे जिनमें हाईएस्ट पावर 2 होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल x स्क्वायर, देन द फोर्थ पॉलिनोमियल 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 10 एंड द थर्ड पॉलिनोमियल. तो ये तीनों पॉलिनोमियल्स हम एक के बाद एक लिख देंगे. हो गया. देन चेक फॉर क्यूबिक. क्यूबिक मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी गुड मिताली, वेरी गुड दुर्वांका सॉरी, Mitali, fantastic. Vaishnavi, Nupur, very good. Cubic means the highest power should be 3. So we'll write the third and the fifth polynomial. And linear means what? Highest power should be 1. X plus 7. Okay. So ये तो bifurcation हो गया based on degree. Now we will bifurcate based on number of terms. What do you mean by binomial? It should have two terms. So two terms वाले polynomial को कितने हैं? दो ही है. X plus 7, x cube plus 9. Oh, लास्ट वाला भी है. Yes, correct. Very good मिताली, नरेश, नुपुर, fantastic. राम, क्या बात है. Superb answers. Then we want trinomial, means three terms. That is only one single equation. Polynomial, sorry. Now, if I ask you for monomial, एक ही ऐसा term है जो monomial है. Yes, it is x square. So this sum also gets over. Am I clear? Yeah. Any queries or doubt with respect to this part, students? Please confirm that. Great. Very good. Shabash. Right? So we'll do one thing now. I have asked you to download an app called as Kahoot. Okay. मैं आपको ऐप दिखाता हूँ एक बार. एक ऐप आपको मैंने डाउनलोड करने के लिए कहा था. x plus 7 is a binomial बेटा वैष्णवी. तो वो बाइनोमियल में आ गया. दो टर्म है ना बेटा, x और 7 नंबर्स हैं. राइट है ना. ग्रेट. ओके. जस्ट अ मिनट। सबने डाउनलोड किया कहूट? वेरी गुड। देयर इज एन ऐप with the name of KAHOOT. KAHOOT। आपको एक मोबाइल फ़ोन लगेगा, तो ये गेम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा और विनर will stand a big chance to win match champ and talented also. Okay, या आपको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा कहूट ऐप आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन में, एंड मैं यहाँ से ओके यू कैन नॉट डाउनलोड द ऐप, ओके नो इशू, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा। लीजिए, सो आई गिव यू 2 मिनट्स एवरीवन, फटाफट डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। आई गेस वो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेगा, तब तक मैं गेम सेटअप कर देता हूँ। ओके, 3, 2 and 1। ओके जस्ट अ मिनट, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम।